Hello, it's Tasha with WTA.
Introducing a fun gadget for your kitchen. This mini little Lazy Susan. I can use it for flowers or decoration, for my art supplies to be able to turn and choose what I want, for all my spices to be able to read all the labels off of each jar. It always gives a smooth, consistent, simple, continuous spin. It's super nice because I can just easily rinse it off or wash it off if it has any dirt or grime on it. It's simple to be able to just use and reuse for any occasion. It's lightweight and very durable. It has a small rubber grip top so things don't slide around. I love having this as an addition to my useful products in the kitchen.
And that's my point of view.